Hi, I'm Vidya. I'm the lead of Infocus RX Center of Medical Excellence. We develop online training programs for healthcare and medical professionals. Before talking about this program, I would like to tell you about what is medical and healthcare communication. So, medical and healthcare communicators are those professionals who are involved in designing and developing medical content for medical and healthcare professionals. So, you may find this work to be easy, but it actually isn't. Medical writing involves a lot of research, gathering adequate content, organizing the content, and presenting the content depending upon the target audience. The term target audience may sound confusing. Let me simplify this for you. Imagine you've been asked to write 2 booklets. One is about diabetes management for patients and their caregivers, and one is about diabetes management for doctors. Will the content vary in these 2 booklets? Will the choice of words vary in these 2 booklets? So, the content which you deliver ultimately depends upon your target audience. I-CME offers you a customized training program on medical and healthcare communication. This is an online program, and our main aim is to improve your writing skills. Till date, we have trained around 1,000+ participants from India, US, UK, China, Australia, and the list goes so on. We have also been involved in training and development of medical and healthcare professionals who work in the corporates, the MNCs, which include the Fortune 500 companies. This training program will help you to understand and practice the various forms of medical writing. These forms include MEDICO marketing writing, consumer writing, scientific writing, regulatory writing, and writing for social media. This program has been divided into 14 parts, 14 modules. At the end of each module, you would be given an assessment and an assignment. The purpose of these is to find out how much have you understood, how much knowledge have you gathered from this training program. Module 1 gives you an introduction to medical and healthcare writing. In this module, you would be explained about what is medical writing, who are your target audiences, what are the skills required for becoming a medical writer, who are your potential employers and clients as a medical writer, and what are the different kinds of medical writing. In the second module, you would learn about the process and the various steps involved in effective writing. The reading behaviors differs greatly when you read through a web media or you read through a print media. Therefore, the writing for these 2 media should also differ. In module 3, you would learn about the differences in web and print media, the differences in the reader's behavior while reading from a web media and reading from a print media. As most of the content is delivered online, this module also discusses about various techniques for effective web writing. The first step in developing content is to do a thorough research. World Wide Web has unlimited information, and researching can be difficult at times. This module, module 4, aims at making you understand what are the different research strategies to perform an effective research and to gather the correct content. Module 5 covers a very important topic for medical and healthcare communicators. Plagiarism and copyright violation is a crime. This module will explain you and make you understand the various rules associated with copyrights and the various measures which you have to take as writers in order to prevent these problems. Module 6 deals with the basic rules of writing. In this module, you will learn about the basics of grammar, the basic structure of a write-up, and the rules which you need to follow for effective writing. The first 6 modules forms a strong foundation for the next modules. Module 7 deals with consumer writing. In this module, you will learn how to write when your target audience is a common man, a person who does not have a strong scientific background. In this module, you learn to write consumer health news, consumer review articles, fact sheets, patient care guides, and other types of consumer writing. Module 8 deals with scientific writing. Scientific writing forms the core for medical and healthcare communicators. In this module, you will learn about how to write scientific documents such as abstracts for research papers, scientific news, scientific reviews, case reports, drug monographs, and other scientific documents. Module 9 deals with regulatory and clinical trial writing. In this module, you will learn how to prepare scientific documents related to clinical research, the clinical trial process, and pharmacovigilance. Module 10 deals with MEDICO marketing writing. In this module, you will learn about how to develop content for marketing aids used in healthcare. These aids may include sales aids, posters, white papers, product monographs, and the list goes so on. Nowadays, social media has become the best platform for you to communicate to a large audience. Module 11, which deals with social media writing, will help you to understand how to develop a social media plan and how to write effectively for social media. As delivery of education has gone beyond classrooms, e-learning has become increasingly popular. Based on our experience and expertise in developing content for the e-learning industry, we have added a new module on e-learning and storyboarding. This module includes how to develop content for e-learning courseware, e-learning assessments, and storyboards. Module 13 deals with email writing. This module is very important as our day-to-day communication in business and healthcare is via the email. The last module, Module 14, will help you to understand how to get yourself published.